what's up with the Bad Book Reviewers? For this week, as you know, we're not reviewing books. We are doing our holiday vlog, and we're on day 2.
We're going to be showing you, we're going to be doing this video of our resort room, and we are in Barcelona Resort in Caleta de Fuse, and that's in Ventura. So we're going to be showing you our resort room, and it's going to be quite a short video since it's just our resort room, but let's go. So if you open the door, it's quite dark in here. It's not the brightest thing, but you should hopefully be able to see it. Here
We have a single bed, and then we have double beds here, and this is a sofa bed, so this is where we slept at night. And then over here we have some blinds which you can open.
yes, it is. Our beds are quite messy. We are obviously slept in these, and we haven't made them up yet, but hopefully they will be made up sometime.
And then over here we have a Toshiba TV, and then we have a coffee table over here
With just a simple lamp and the remote. If you walk back here, you will see a dining table, and we don't really use this much. We just normally put our laptops on here because obviously there's no food that we're going to make to eat on the dining table.
And then over here we have our kind of kitchen area, so we have a stove, we have our sink, we have some cups up there, and we got some hand work up here. And then we have some cabinets, and then we also have a fridge or freezer.
We have some fruit in here, like bananas, but yeah, we can just eat that anytime we want, but mostly we go to the restaurants to eat all the buffets.
Then over here we have our wardrobe, and this is what we are slide. And yeah, it's a sliding wardrobe, so yeah. And then we have another Toshiba TV. And I like how it's like they're taking it like a chunk out of the wall and then put the TV in.
It's really cool, like just big chunk out of the wall and fit the TV in. If you go down here, you'll see a bunch of backpacks on a poof, and yeah, these are called poofs, I believe. And here are our backpacks. Kirsten's new backpack, my new backpack. That's it.
And then here's our swimming bag and stuff like that. And over here we have 2 more single beds. They're not joint. We can like push apart if I can like, yeah, like, you can push apart as you can see. But we just got some stuff from there. We haven't really had a chance to tidy up the beds yet, but got some swimming costumes on there, my laptop and my phone on there, and a suitcase on here.
We've actually got lots of spare rooms with beds, and we're literally full of on beds. We actually have lots of room. So if you go over here, you will see the bathroom area. Here you just have a sink and a mirror.
Double-sided.
Yep. So one person will be doing the makeup on that side while the other person brushes their teeth. And we've just got a toilet bag and some toothbrushes and some water and stuff like that.
Then here we've got the shower. Not much, quite small, but it is a nice shower. Just a simple shower. And then we've got the toilet. I'm not sure if you guys want to see a toilet. It's just a toilet.
Yeah, I think you will know what toilet looks like.
And then if we go outside,
this is one of my favourite areas outside. It's really nice and peaceful and sunny, and we have a great view.
so we've got our jacuzzi. We put the top back on, but we are gonna go in the jacuzzi soon. And then we've got some deck chairs so we can just relax. And
We normally put our swimming suits on here yesterday so they can dry, because obviously it's really sunny out there. So yeah, our swimming suits are quite dry, and we're actually going to go in the pool quite soon. So.
And then if you walk outside, there's rocks. So yeah, and as you can see there, there's the little cat that we were talking about just over there. Just down there, and yeah, she's really cute. She's quite friendly.
She had kittens, and one of the hotel assistants actually took one of the kittens, and she said they were really cute. And that just makes me, oh my gosh, it's so cute.
So guys, we have come to the end of our hotel room, you know what I mean, our room tour, and I hope you guys liked it. So make sure you go watch our video tomorrow. This one was only a short one because there's nothing much to show, just our hotel room, but we just wanted to show you guys that.
You should watch our last vlog where it's travelling, and we woke up at 4 a.m. Come on, 4 a.m. to get here, and it was sort of worth it. It's really worth it.
So guys, that's the end of our room. Over here you can see the beach and stuff, but don't show too much because we're going to show you that tomorrow in our vlog. So guys, that's the end. Bye!
Hope you enjoyed.